Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a synth like Sudden Death here in Crusade. Alright, so we're going to focus on the main melody sound in this one. There's a lot of other crunchy basses and stuff going on underneath, which I didn't focus on too hard. So basically I just threw down a basic drum loop here and, you know, basic 808, basic offbeat kind of gritty bass here. The foundation sounds like this. And we're going to focus on the synth sound. So I've got the MIDI drawn in here between F3, E3, 2 Fs, and E and F again. And basically right now I've got nothing on there. If I turn on oscillator A for starters, we're going to go with a saw wavetable basic shapes here. 12 on the unison, detune we're going to put at 0.15 with the level at 68%. That's going to sound like this. And you can see on the bottom right here as well, I've got always turned on with portamento at 69 milliseconds, just to give us a little bit of attack in terms of pitch in the very beginning of it, a little bit of bend movement. On our envelope A, we've got the attack set to 21 milliseconds, decay at 177 milliseconds, and sustain minus 13.1 decibels, release at 30 milliseconds. Oscillator B, we're bringing in here on -1 octaves, also a default shape. This one has 7 unison, and the detune at 0.18 with the level only here at 36%. Just adding another lower layer. Oscillator 3 here is going to do the bulk of the lifting. We've got it first of all on sample mode here. So you change it to sample mode, and then I went ahead and dragged in the cymatics brass shot. I brought it down by 2 semitones to make it in key, and then I pitched it up 1 octave. It sounds like this. And then we're starting to get that tone kind of similar to what Sudden Death has in his song. I added a noise oscillator here on AC hum, level at 20%, everything else stock. We're gonna bring in filter 1 here on MG low 12, cut off at 727 going up to 14.7, resonance 10%, drive 37%, fat all the way down. And I've got envelope 1 here modulating that cutoff. Then we go to effects. I've got a compressor for starters, single mode, everything's stock. Just catching some peaks. We've got distortion here, tube mode, drive 92%, mix 100. Convolve here, giving us a small hall preset. Everything's stock, just the decay turned down to 388 milliseconds. Mixes at 21%, giving us some space. Got an equalizer here, just cutting off the lows right around 260. And then last but not least in Serum, we have a distortion here just on rectify. I've got envelope A moving the drive from 48% up to 88% and the mix at 32%. Hear this crunch. And then in Ableton, I've got a saturator here just giving us 3 dB of drive. That is essentially just giving us some extra volume and boost with harmonics. And altogether, we've got this. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you'd like the file, just go ahead and comment file on this post. Thank you guys. Cheers.